First, let's update all packages and install them. Now install Apache and check the status of the service to confirm it was correctly installed. We need PHP and some extra packages. I'll just copy the command here. Since I'm using postgreSQL, we need to install the database connectors. In the end, we'll have to install one more package that I forgot. I'll install postgreSQL and create the database, create a user and assign all permissions to that user. The PG_TRGM extension is required. Don't use simple passwords in production servers and never expose your database to the internet. This is just for demonstration. Download the latest version of Drupal into the Apache folders and set the correct permissions. Create config file to enable our site. In the server name, use your own domain name or local IP address like I did. We need to enable a couple extensions in the php.ini file. Now open your browser and navigate to your domain name or IP address. This is the Drupal installation screen. I forgot about this PHP extension requirement. Let's install it quickly and reload Apache. After refreshing the page, we can proceed to the next step. And that's it, we now have a working installation of Drupal. Hope this video helps you. Leave a comment below if you want to add something. Bye.